We're back, baby. What do we got? We got Mega Evolutions. We got Searching Sparks. I don't even know the chase card for this one, but I know we want that Pikachu from this one. My neighbors moved out. I think I'm going to be getting some new neighbors. Hopefully they like a lot of loud noise, guitar playing, loud car starts, yelling when you get a loud Pokemon card, when you get a chase. Hopefully they like all that. Other than that, the World Cup's coming up. I know, ooh, Hariyama. Ooh, Hariyama. Again, 2 Hariyamas. That is so weird. Look at that. Soccer fans, but if any soccer fans, I think I might go live for the first time. I might maybe like watch a good game. And if there is any time there's a goal, I might open up an ETB trainer box. The light went off. Well, it's all right. We're still going. Oh! Gold Star. Execute! Execute! That's sick, guys. Let's go.